Hey guys, it's me Luis. I'm gonna set the back glass using the junior setting blocks, and remember we're testing the new adapters for RYOBI on these guys. Let me just open it. This guy. Let me use one of my sticks. So we're gonna testing the adapter for the RYOBI. Okay, remember, if you're going to use Ashes, just change the adapter because it's not the same way. And we have the setting blocks on already. So this is the use class or RNI. So far, the adapter is working nice for my backup tool. I got my new working. Remember, we got the setting blocks already there, the junior. It's gonna just set one corner here and just let it go. Just take the blocks, the junior blocks out, and we finish. Okay guys, and it is done. So see you in the next shot. Okay, thank you so much.